Welcome to this session. Myself, K.Ch.Suneetha, CSC Department, Kokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Today in this video, we'll see how to display strings. So the title is Writing of Strings. Um, so in detail, we'll see what are the functions which are used in order to display strings. Coming to here, using printf function. The output function here is a printf function. The format specifier percentile yes can be used to display an array of characters that is terminated by the null character using printf function. So here, similar to the printf function, there need not be any ampersand in the printf function, and the format specifier which is to be used is percentile yes. So see here, it should be enclosed within double quotes. So coming to the concept here, so this is the format specifier. We can also specify the precision with which the array is displayed. Similar to the concept of scanf, here also, if you wanted to truncate the number of characters which are to be displayed onto your screen, that can be done again with the specification here. So the the normal width specification, depending on the width specification here, 10.4. 10 is the total number of locations which are to be allocated, and only 4 characters from the beginning will be displayed onto your screen. So percentile 10.4 indicates that the first 4 characters are to be printed in a field width of 10 columns. However, if we include the minus sign in the specification, then the string will be left justified, which means that your output will be printed towards left. So what are the features of percentile yes specification? Regarding width specification, we'll see in detail now. When the field width is less than the length of the string, the entire string is printed. If the field width is less, so this will be vice versa with the scanf function. In the scanf function, if the width specification is less, it only reads those many characters. But then in case of printf function, if the field width is less than the length of the string, then the entire string will be printed. The integer value on the right side of the decimal point specifies the number of characters to be printed out of the entire output. When the number of characters to be printed is specified as 0, nothing will be printed onto your screen. So this point is very mandatory to be noted. The minus sign in the specification causes the string to be printed left justified. Until and unless we specify minus, your output will be only right justified. The default justification will be towards right. The specification percentile.ns prints the first n characters of the string. You can also include percentile ns, which means only n characters of the string will be displayed onto your screen. So here is a simple example. STR, so the string is good morning. So first thing is percentile 14s. So 14 locations and good morning will be printed. Here the width is 4. So what will be the output in this case is GOOD. So 4 characters only will be printed out of good morning. And 14.4s, you will be seeing 14 locations, and then that will be right justified. Towards the right, only 4 characters which are good will be printed. Now here it is minus 14.4s is the width specification. Now in this case here, 14 locations will be there. The output will be towards left justified. I think the output is already there in the screen. Now printf percentile 14.0, nothing is printed. Now percentile 0.3s, only 3 characters out of good morning is displayed. And then percentile yes, percentile yes, percentile yes, here the entire good morning will be printed. So here is the output. Now coming to putchar and puts functions. Similar to printf function, you can even include putchar function within a loop and puts function directly. So putchar function is used to output the values of character values. For suppose A is the character, if you display putchar of ch, that will be directly displayed to your screen, similar to printf percentile c ch. Now here is the example. Within a loop we have to include because it displays character by character of the entire string. Another and more convenient way of printing string values is to use the function puts declared in the header file stdio.h. Its getters function and puts functions are defaultly resided in stdio.h. So no special header file is required in order to use puts and getters functions. The syntax of puts function is puts of string name, where str is a string variable containing a string value. This prints the value of the string variable str and then moves the cursor to the beginning of the next line of the screen. Now, what are the arithmetic operations which can be carried out on strings or characters? So here, C allows us to manipulate characters the same way we do with numbers. Whenever a character constant or character variable is used in an expression, it is automatically converted into an integer value by the system. For example, x is equal to a. If we print the format specifier percentile d, then the ASCII value of A will be printed. Small letter A's ASCII value is 97 and the capital letter ASCII A's ASCII value is 65. So the what will be the output for the above printf function is 97. Will display the number 97 on the screen. If x is equal to a minus 1, then 96 will be the output. Similarly, ch greater than or equal to a and ch less than or equal to z test whether the characters in the variables ch is an uppercase letter or not. Similarly, you can even convert a character digit to its equivalent integer value using x is equal to character minus 0, right? So the value will be printed. ASCII value of 7 is equal to 55. ASCII value of 0 is equal to 48. So the output will be printed. 55 will be printed here. Now, the C library supports a function atoi that converts a string of digits into their integer values. For suppose number is equal to 1988. Now year is equal to atoi of number. So the function converts the string constant 1988 to its numeric equivalent 1988. Which means here we are just excluding the inverted commas. It 1988 is even though it is a combination of digits, it is enclosed within double quotes, hence it is considered as a string constant. After we implement a toy function atoi, then that is simply converted to a integer, which is 1988. C does not provide operators that work on strings directly, like str1 is equal to, this is invalid. So this is about how to write or display strings onto your screen. Hope you understood this concept. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.